How to set back tap or double tap to scroll down or scroll up on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, then tap on Touch. Now we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Back Tap. In here, tap on Double Tap or Triple Tap. So I'm going to select Double Tap. And then we scroll down. In here, you can choose Scroll Down or Scroll Up. So here I can choose Scroll Down for Double Tap. And if you want to use Scroll Up as well, we can go back and then tap on Triple Tap. And in here, we can go to the scroll gesture and select Scroll Up. So here you can see if I double tap, it will scroll down. If I triple tap, it will scroll up. And that's it. So that is how you can assign the scroll down or scroll up to the double tap or triple tap, back tap. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.